Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a gadget review, specifically mechanical keyboard. I've been using this keyboard for about 4 or 3 months, and I gotta say, it's really good. It's great. I love it. It's better than your regular everyday keyboard. It's amazing. It has a lot of features, special features that you can use here. My favorite feature is that it has beautiful LED lighting that makes it so worth it to buy. This model, this keyboard is a Cliptec keyboard, USB professional mechanical keyboard, RGK817. So I would really recommend this one if you are into gaming, if you are into typing. Wait. Some of the other features that I love about this keyboard is it has the sound of the typing. Can you hear that? It's like, I love it. It's really great. But some may not like it, but I do. It's a really special feature for me that you can type while having the sound. It's so satisfying, especially when you're gaming. Yeah. So there are some other features that can be found in this keyboard, and I'm gonna showcase them on the next clip. So let's go and watch what are the other features that can be found in this keyboard. Let's go. Right off the bat, you can see that the keyboard is built with a solid design and a durable body to minimize typos and to also withstand rough usage. The keyboard also provides full 104 anti-ghost rollover keys to ensure multiple keystrokes don't get lost due to the inability of the keyboard to process simultaneous signals that come natural to many gamers. You don't need to worry about stroking the keys too hard, as the keyboard is built with 50 million keystroke lifespan. Mechanical blue switch is what makes a mechanical keyboard fun to use. It is smooth and satisfying to press on the keys. However, you should probably avoid using the keyboard at the office. You don't want to get fired. And lastly, 12 modes of LED illuminated backlights. Oh wait, you can't actually see the lighting. Is it on? Alright, let's go. Okay guys, I guess that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. So I guess I'll see you on the next video. Leave a like, subscribe, and peace!